Welcome to Computer Science. My name is Mr. McCormack and I take this subject. And there are two parts to this subject, and the first part is coding. You'll find coding everywhere. You're all familiar with your mobile phone. There are hundreds of thousands of apps, and each one of those apps have to be coded by somebody. Sometimes they're coded by big companies with teams of coders. Sometimes they're just coded by individuals. We have lots of things which have to be coded today. Just everyday objects like microwaves, like televisions, cars. All cars are computerized now. And somebody has to write the computer program to make that work. We use Python, and that's the only coding language or mainly the only coding language that you'll get taught in year 10. We do a little bit of something called SQL in year 11, or SQL, but the majority of coding is now done using Python. If you don't like coding, and you're not interested in coding, then maybe this isn't the course for you, because there's a lot of the course that is spent just coding. The second part of the course is more theoretical. Look at these components. This is a graphics card. This is a hard disk drive. This is some RAM. This is the motherboard. That's a robot. But how do all these things work? How is data stored on here? What is data? How does a computer use data? How does a computer work? Here's a CPU. What's inside a CPU? It's not just a metal disk there. There's a lot going on in there. So the second part of the course is all about theory. It's all about how computers work, how computers communicate with each other. And it's also about the world of technology and things like cybersecurity, and how do we keep our data safe when it's online? What do companies do about that? We experience these things every day, but what we don't do, what people generally don't do, is they don't really know about exactly what's going on inside their computer. And that's what the second part of the course is all about. And there will be an exam paper for that, and asking questions about how these components all work.